So today I'm going to be turning the ground over. Spring has sprung. It's been going up to like 58, 60 degrees. I'm going to turn the ground over. Do a little planting today. So I got the ground turned over. And now I'm about to plant something. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm going to plant something in the middle. And I'm going to plant some flowers in these flower beds right here. So I decided to plant some chives and some onions. I'm finna get started, baby, because I want some food. As you can see, I put my lines in the soil. That's where I'm gonna place my seeds. I think I'll put chives on this side and onions on this side. I finally finished, y'all. I started my garden. It's about that time. I'm about to show y'all what I planted right quick. So this is my garden, you guys. This is what I started out with. Just to let you know, these little items from right here, I got them from Dollar General for 1 cent. Makes the garden look pretty. Okay. In this circle right here, I planted some onions and some chives. Chives and onions. You know the chives and onions that you put on your baked potato. I planted that in a circle. Right here, I planted some cilantro. Here's some mint. I planted some basil right here. Flowers will be in these pots right here. And flowers will be in this one. And I also planted sunflower seeds right here. Basil. Flowers will be here. And this is called heirloom. Some kind of herb called heirloom. This is also cilantro, you guys. So I did some herbs. I did some onions, chives, cilantro, basil, and flowers. I had a bag of potatoes that went bad. And you know how the little things be growing out of the potatoes? Do you know when you plant those, you will make more potatoes? So that's exactly what I did. I planted them in here, you guys. And you can see the stems are coming up. See that? The stems are coming up for the potatoes. So, yeah. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some all-purpose plant food. It makes the plants and the vegetables and the fruit grow bigger. Yeah. You're not pumping steroids. This is grow bigger all-purpose plant food. And I'm going to sprinkle it on everything out here in the garden. And then I'm going to water everything out here in the garden. So I'm going to start with my old Miracle Growth that I had last year. And it's on a little bit in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour these on the flower beds. You're only supposed to do like a sprinkle. Flowers will be growing here. And sunflowers will be growing here. Whatever you trying to grow, this helps it grow. That's a little sprinkle. And you do this like once a month. Just a little sprinkle. A little sprinkle. A little sprinkle. Make sure it's evenly around. Cause you only gonna feed them once a month now. And feed them inside. Ooh, child. And now I'm about to water everything. I'm tired. Water everything really good. I don't know when it's supposed to rain. They said it was gonna rain for the rest of the week, but baby, it's been sunshine in the days they say it's gonna rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and water it a little bit, a good water for the day. Make sure I water these potatoes. Give them a good water. And always pray that your garden produces food.